that's part of our problem, isn't it? Pushing kids into little pockets.
Absolutely, rather than just really allowing them to be themselves. Some of the work that I do is with children who are on the spectrum and even teenagers. And I notice that by working with them and just working with them in a way to help them feel safe and comfortable and as you say, focus on what they love and what they're really good at, you notice them relax, and then they can actually feel that way more in the classroom as well. For all of us, as soon as someone just focuses on what they think is wrong, it just will increase anxiety. And then how much does that survival system activation increase and exacerbate whatever might be there as well? But really importantly, just going back to those basics. I mean, it's interesting, we talk about neuroscience and the brain and all the parts of the brain which can be quite technical, but really what we're saying is the more we understand how the brain and the body work together, I like that term integration. I know Daniel Siegel uses it. I heard a wonderful definition he gave recently about what is the mind, and he said it's about those three key areas of the brain: the survival, I suppose the emotional or impulsive brain, and the left brain, integrated together, connected to the heart, and then reaching out in relationships. And I thought, here we are talking about neuroscience, and it's such an engaging way of looking at it. But the basics, just talk about sleep and food and exercise and nature and engaging with safe people. So you start at that level before you then go into, concern about learning and reading and all of those things, because I just find those things just come together because the potential's accessed then. And I say, watch them fly. Now they'll be able to show us what they know and be ready to learn more.
Well, if you want to know more about the science of psychotherapy, come across to our website, thescienceofpsychotherapy.com, and our podcast of the same name, and learn more about the science of you.